Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we'll be learning how to add text on any surface. I mean any surface. So without any much further ado, let us dive into it. So the first thing we'll be doing is to press Ctrl J. Ctrl J, that means to duplicate our layer. Then we'll go to select and then select subjects. Exactly. So let us wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so our subject is selected. Now we'll add a layer mask. Click on this, add the layer mask. We'll come back to the background layer and then we'll add this top of the layer. We'll hide it and then we'll come to the text tool and we'll write anything that we want to. Okay, so I'll be writing 2026. 2026. Yes. Exactly. 2026. And then I'll come back to the text. I will right click and click on select pixel. Click on select pixel. Yes. Then I'll Control C to copy. Then Control D to deselect. And then I will delete the text. I'll add a layer mask to this. And then I'll go to filter, yes, then vanishing point. Now repeat the same thing that you want to see me doing now. Repeat the same thing. Oh yes, let me zoom out and then I will drag it down. I'm going to drag it down. Yes, I'll drag it down. Let me bring the side down again. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to press Ctrl V to bring back my text. Ctrl V and then Ctrl T. Yes. Let me increase it a bit. Nice. I'll press my enter. I'll come back to this, my text tool here. I'll right click and go to blending option. Blending option. Now this part is very vital. This part is very vital because this is where the magic will happen. You are going to hold on your Alt in order to break this box in here. Hold on your Alt and then you see exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. You press enter. Then after that, you turn that layer on back. You can see how it is now. You can see exactly. See before and then after. Let us repeat it again. Before and then after. So yes. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any question on any part of Photoshop, please make sure to comment it so that we also do a video on it. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.